Straight Talk's mobile app allows you to easily monitor your hotspot data usage. First, download the Straight Talk app from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your phone number and PIN. Navigate to the Account or Data Usage tab. It looks like a bar graph icon. Then select Hotspot Usage from the drop-down menu. You'll see a real-time meter showing how much data you've used versus what's available. This section breaks down usage by day and week, helping you stay within your plan's limits. Set alerts to notify you when you reach 80% of your limit to avoid unexpected throttling or charges. Straight Talk's hotspot data limits vary by plan. Many unlimited plans throttle hotspot speeds after a certain amount of high-speed data is used, typically 10 to 22 gigabytes. Pay-as-you-go plans have smaller caps of 2 to 5 gigabyte, while family plans pool data across devices for flexible sharing. Your plan automatically renews monthly on the activation date, resetting your data counter. The app sends renewal notifications 24 hours in advance. Streaming video via Hotspot can quickly deplete your data, using 1 to 3 gigabytes per hour, so monitoring prevents surprises. For example, some of the most popular plans offer 10 gigabytes of high-speed hotspot data before throttling to 2G speeds.